This dance is Toe to Toe, choreographed by Tina Argyle. It's a 32 count, 4-wall line dance. Section 1, starting with the right foot, strong right forward, toe fan, out, in, back to centre. Strong left forward, toe fan, out, in, back to centre. Section 2, forward, touch, back, hook left across and snap fingers shoulder level. Forward, touch. Section 3, grapevine to the right, side behind, side touch to the left, side behind, quarter turn left to face 9, brush. Last section, step forward, hold, step forward, pivot a half turn left, run forward, right, left. I'm now facing 3 o'clock and I start over. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's the whole dance.